In this video, I'll show you how to build a landing page in Card. Start by signing into your Card account and click Choose a starting point or new site to create a new project. Next, browse the available templates and select one that matches the style of the landing page you want to create. You can also choose a blank template if you prefer to build from scratch. After that, click on the existing elements to edit the text, images, colors, and layout to match your brand or offer. Now click the plus button to add new elements such as text, image, button, form, video, or divider wherever you need them. Next, customize your headline, subheading, and call to action button so visitors immediately understand what your page is about. After that, add supporting sections such as features, testimonials, pricing, or an FAQ if they help explain your product or service. Now configure your buttons so they link to your checkout page, contact form, scheduling page, or any other destination you want visitors to reach. Next, open the Publish settings and choose your site URL. If you have a custom domain, connect it by following Card's domain setup instructions. After that, preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks and works correctly. Finally, click Publish to make your landing page live and share the link with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a landing page in Card. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.